Increased emissions? Sluggish acceleration? Whining noise coming from your engine? You may be in need of a turbocharger replacement in your Detroit Diesel Series 60. Minimize downtime and negative impact to your revenue. Choose balanced, long-lasting power. Install a turbocharger for your Series 60 from Highway and Heavy Parts. Deliver more power to your engine while also increasing fuel economy and reducing emissions by replacing your old turbo. Each turbo is built to OE specifications and tolerances, ensuring quality and consistency, fitting perfectly on your Detroit Diesel Series 60. Worried about your turbocharger overspooling? Don't be. This turbocharger is equipped with a wastegate regulating your maximum boost pressure, providing extra protection for your investment under the hood. If you're looking for a quicker boost with less lag time, this turbocharger for your Detroit Diesel Series 60 is the answer. And don't forget to check out HHP's wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty and industry-leading service from our ASC certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.